Yeah. So, looks like we have a plant right here. And I'm not sure if that is or not. This looks like it might be. Yeah, right there. So there's one there. I'm thinking this is your jalapenos. Or the but this looks like it might be a plant. But we'll have to see. This definitely looks like plants.
Yeah.
And here's the sweet corn. We'll have to. It went in rows, but we'll have to do some.
Spots here and there.
Yeah, like if you want, you could put like.
Well, actually, looks like there's something trying to come up right there, so it's gonna be.
You could put trenches in where it didn't plant, and then just drop some seeds in them and cover them back up.